Dear learners, welcome to the channel again. Today's topic is augmented reality, which is called AR also. Augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing the user's perception of reality. It typically involves the use of devices such as smartphones, tablets, or specialized AR glasses to blend virtual elements with the physical environment. For example, Pokemon Pokemon Geo is an AR mobile game where players explore the real world to find out and capture virtual Pokemon characters superimposed onto their surroundings through the smartphone's camera. IKEA Place. This is another example of AR. IKEA Place is an AR app that allows users to visualize how IKEA furniture would look and fit in their own space by placing virtual furniture models within their real environment using a smartphone or tablet camera. Thank you.